and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I'm a part-time reseller, currently only on Poshnmark, but I will be returning to eBay soon. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. So today I am back with part 2 of my JOMAR wholesale J Crew unboxing. If you haven't watched part 1, I will link it above, but that was my 20 items of new with tags, new without tags, J Crew pieces, or just a lot of J Crew outlet. Spoiler. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the J Crew pre-loved items, so these will be pre-owned items. So as I mentioned in the last video, the reason I got these boxes is they had a 30% off weekend sale, and I ended up getting both of them with a 30% off, but plus shipping. This box came out to be about $5.08 an item, which if you followed me on here, you will know that the Goodwill around here, that's about what clothing is, you know, after I average things out, it's about $5 per piece. So right on par with what I would get at the thrift store. Now at the thrift store, I don't buy all J Crew pieces I come across. So we will see if I would have even spent the $5 for these pieces. I also have heard back from JOMAR about my little issue in part 1 with most of the box being J Crew outlets. So if you want to hear about that, stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, so yes, $5 an item. Let's go. All right, so looks like we got some J Crew toothpick jeans, which is just, I think they're skinny legs. They're size 32. They are a gray pair of jeans. You know, just looking at them a little bit, they look pretty good. Just so you know, for jeans, you should look in the front to see if there's any puckering. Look in the crotch to see if there's any staining, also on the inside. So all that looks good. Not so much usually for skinny jeans, but like boot cut and flare, you want to check to see if you know, they've been stepped on and what they look like at the pant leg. So, oh, it's cut out, so I don't know. Oh no, it is. So these are from fall 2016. You know, the size might make me think to pick it up. 32 is a good size. So, I don't know. Depending on my mood, if I was thrifting, would I have gotten these? I'm just going to go ahead and pick these other pair of jeans I see. So they are also the toothpick, this time in a 28. These are an actual blue denim. And again, they look okay. Let's see. What year are these from? These are from fall 2016 as well. You know, I did once pick up a bunch of toothpick jeans, and I think I sold them for like $25. So, you know, I should get my money back on those pieces. I'm not liking the looks of these two for some reason, but let's open them up. Okay, so we got J Crew. It's all gonna be J Crew, but I'll let you know if it's outlet. And it's just a striped navy blue and white long sleeve t-shirt. You know, I don't think I would have picked this up unless it had been like new with tags. So definitely not pre-loved or whatever they want to call it. This is from fall 2015. I tend to, you know, skew more toward the newer J Crew pieces or new with tags are large and upsized pieces. But, you know, I have it now and I'm sure I can, you know, do 15, 20 bucks. Ugh, well, I like the long sleeve better than the looks of this. This is just a t-shirt and it's extra small. And it's just a striped t-shirt. So, you know how it goes. That's what happens when you get boxes. Of course, this is from 2018. At least it's a little more recent. You never know what you're going to get unless it's manifested. Next is a pair of shorts. They're just a white cotton short, size 6. They kind of have like a floral print to it. What it looks like. Where's the other tag? I don't think it has the care tag. So, can't tell you when they came out. But they look good. At least, you know, white, you have to be worried about staining, but they look fine. All right. I did sell a pair of white shorts the other day. They were like more in style. They were denim, you know, distressing, and button flies. So it's got a little tank top. Yeah, I definitely would not have paid $5 for this, just FYI. It is Lysel or Tinsel. Came out in 2018. You know, there you go. All right, well, at least we have what looks like a sweater. That's good. I do like to pick up, you know, sweater pieces. Actually, this is a sweater dress, isn't it? It is a sweater dress. And it's just blue knit. Oh, and it has little ruffles on the sleeve. Somebody had nice perfume. It does have some like picking here at the bottom, but a sweater shaver will do wonders for that. Do be careful when you use a sweater shaver for knit though, because you can shave a hole right into it. This is holiday 2017, but looks to be good. Size small. All right, got this little lacy tank top, J Crew, size 0, petite, so that's not exciting. But it's a cute little peplum hem top. There are some loose threads, but I think I can just trim those off. Nothing too bad. I mean, no, I probably wouldn't have picked this up for $5. Fall 2017, just because I don't pick a lot of tank tops off, and probably the size 0 and the petite would have scared me off. So, yeah. It's interesting. It's like spotted. J Crew Mercantile. So, yeah, extra small. You know, like if they had to give you mercantile and outlet pieces, couldn't they have been like a larger size or new tags? Why did it have to be extra small? I mean, I know tiny people shop too, but still. So this is like a spotted little sweater. It is cute. It will sell too. I mean, people who are extra small shop on Poshnmark. It's just, they're slower movers for me, to be honest. It's holiday 2018, so all right. No, I wouldn't have picked that up for $5 either. I might have picked up the dress that we saw earlier. All right. I don't know what size that is. An 8? It's a really weird tiny print there at the bottom. But yeah, I think it's an 8. It's just a skirt. Little mini skirt with an elastic waist. It is wool. 97% wool. Came out fall 2012. But really good condition, has pockets. Just because I don't buy a lot of skirts, I probably wouldn't have picked that up, but I think I can make my money back on it. Another pair of white shorts. These with the like petal trim. These are a J by J Crew. I don't even know what that is. Size 0, came out 2019. All right, so they're more recent. What is J by J Crew? I don't know. Anyway, they don't look to have any staining or holes. At least everything's been in pretty good condition so far. Of course, now that I say that, you know what I'm going to find. Stop it, you little box. Leave me alone. Okay. This feels like wool. Yes. 70% wool and 30% viscose. And it is J Crew Factory. You can tell by the little stars. And it is just a, is this green? Yeah. Green, kind of like a moss green, mini skirt. And that could do well. I mean, especially if you market it as kind of like a retro look to it. I feel like this is older just based on the tag. Let me see if they have the date on it. They do. Fall 2011. So, again, just because it's a skirt, I mean, I don't even hardly go through the skirt aisle, to be honest. I probably wouldn't even found that to pick up. Okay. What is this? It's a top. At least we got a top. It is a 00. And It is just a printed top with a V-neck. I was gonna say like quite a V-neck, but it's buttoned. That's why. Let's see. It is from 2017, so not that old. This feels like silk. All right, we have a tank top with these like tie straps, and it's size 6. Pretty sure it's silk. It is 100% silk, and it was made in 2017, or produced in 2017. So this is cute. It's a little late in the summer season, but I do list all year round and sell things all year round. I saw a little pair of boots yesterday. You know, I sell coats in the summer. That's what happens. All right. This one just says J Crew denim. But this one says J Crew denim. 28 petite. 9-inch toothpick. It says on the other side. Reimagined by J Crew. Inspired by the planet and its people. Inspired by the planet and its people. I'm sorry. It is fall of 2020. I thought it must be more recent because I feel like this like giraffe printed dress I had not too long ago that I found at the thrift store also had that saying on it. But anyway. So yeah, just like a light wash denim. So yeah. Doesn't look bad. I might have picked that up. Let's see. More white. It's the same shorts. No, it's a top. Because, all right. So we have a size 8. Oh, none of these have pit stains. Which, I mean, that's pretty impossible to get. I don't know. Can I? Like, having a hard time. I don't know. I might have to see this with the light behind me, not in front of me. But it does have ruffles and the buttons in the front, kind of like a baby doll look. You know, you can market it as like, I'm trying to say, like the cutesy or something like that. Preppy, that's what I'm saying, or girly. Fall 2017. Don't know if this is, you know, have the stains. Hard to tell with the light on me, so I'll have to look later. This doesn't look substantial at all. Yes, it's a tank top. Like, not even tank top. It's like an undershirt. What am I trying to say? What is the... I mean, they're tank tops. You put on camisole, something like that. Size small. It does have the lace trim. I mean, I definitely would not pick this up for $5, just FYI. Let's see. 2018. Maybe I can add that with something else. See, this doesn't look good to me. Oh, little t-shirt. So why can't they at least be my size and I can just keep them? Yeah, extra small, vintage cotton, little sherbet colored. This one's just white. Same thing, extra small. Anyway. All right, another pair of shorts. They're little chino shorts, size 6, navy. I didn't even look what the t-shirt, the year they came from. It doesn't matter, it's a t-shirt. Doesn't change that much throughout the years. 2015 are these shorts. Oh, I think the rest of these are skirts. Well, that might be a pair of joggers. All right, a lot of skirts in here. Size 6, 2014. Just kind of like a little flared skirt. What is this made out of? Cotton and polyester. So, you know, that's cute for the fall. Maybe I can like market it as vaguely dark academia. Not really. Maybe get away with that. I don't know. All right, we have some dress pants. Dress pants. Super 120s. J Crew 1035. I don't know what that means. There's a lot of J Crew tags. Like, how many tags do you need, J Crew? There's J Crew 1035, J Crew 360, J Crew denim, J Crew mercantile, J Crew outlet. Like, what? How many tags do you need? J Crew, chill. These are 100% wool. Oh wow, 2013. You know, you never know. Some people really like a certain pair of dress pants. and we'll go back and get them if they don't make them anymore. So could do well. Okay, looks like a sweatshirt. Yes, vintage fleece, extra small, just a gray little thing. I mean, luckily everything was $5. You know, if it had been the full price, not 30% off, I would have said no. This came out 2020 as well. You know, it does feel really nice. Too bad it's not my size. And okay, J Crew. What if I said Poxy? This is Pixie. 00R. These are tiny. Look at these. These are so tiny. 2 people are this tiny. Like they're leggings, but they're like look like you know what horseback riders wear. Anyway, they're from 2015. Okay. All right, and then a pair of joggers, size 6. I don't see a care tag. Well, whatever. They're just joggers, pair of black joggers. Okay, so I'm going to count and make sure, you know, are these wool? They're itching me a little. Are these not? 2014. They have 19% wool. Yeah, weird. All right. Anyway, I'm going to count these and make sure I have 25 pieces. Okay, so I did have exactly 25 pieces. So just as an initial reaction, it wasn't that great. I mean, I guess it wasn't awful. It wasn't good. It wasn't even really that decent. So it was meh. It was a meh box. It was meh. So I'm going to go ahead and say, like, one of the worst things about getting a disappointing box like this, or any kind of, it's not that it's terrible and that you're not going to make your money back. I mean, they were $5 a piece. I'm most likely going to make my money back, you know, selling it. Maybe not like in each individual piece, but I could lot some of them up or something like that. It's the fact that you're not enthused to list it. See, that's the other issue, is it's not just that you're not going to make a huge profit on it or you're not going to make any profit on it. It's that you're not enthusiastic about listing it. Like, you know, if you're not enthusiastic about listing it, it's just going to sit there forever. So that's something else to factor into these kind of purchases. You know, you got to be motivated to list things because you got to be excited about it. Especially if you're like me and have, you know, always have a death pile or money pile or whatever. You want to list things. So anyway, that's just a side note.